Hi guys, let's make my second pancake. Mix it up. How many eggs? Please. How much left? Maybe. Did we still have the syrup for this?
No.
Hala. Pizza. No. Ano yung gamit? Hindi sayang nga ni.
Pahit lang ba?
Wala yung gigamit ka nun. Ugma na
Hindi na maigo.
Okay. Egg. Crack. Star, star, star.
Unit
Star, star, star. The yellow's still here. Oh, I killed the yellow. So, it's gonna make a pancake again. Making pancake. Yeah, making pancake. Yeah. I can pull it in here. Cause I'm master of this. I'm not master of pulling with this. So mixing, after mix better. Mixing, after mix better. Mixing way better. Wow, the egg's still here. Sorry for the mother of the egg. We do own chickens. I just not show you now. By the way, the chickens are not ours. It's our uncle's chickens. What's this hole? Now I need this. Before I do that, stir. Probably I'll divide this by 10 minutes each. Just 10. If I exceed the 10 minutes, because by the way, I cannot make a complete. I can't make a completely perfect number 10 minutes. So probably be like 11 minutes by accident. I don't know. Whoa. So satisfying. I wish my sister could cook today. Sorry if this is not 10. I have to look for something. So, bye. See you in the next part.